Approximately 6 million Americans suffer from fibromyalgia, with 80% of that number being women. And for the most part, it usually goes untreated. Fibromyalgia is characterized by chronic widespread pain and a heightened pain response to pressure. Only recently have we seen the use of medication such as duloxetine and milnacipran being used to help people suffering from fibromyalgia. These are very potent medications and were originally used for treating depression. These drugs can have very strong side effects such as convulsions, vomiting, and even blindness. Avoiding these side effects is one of the reasons we are seeing more and more clinics offering vibration therapy as an alternative treatment for fibromyalgia. Although fibromyalgia is a rheumatic disease like arthritis and is sometimes treated with anti-inflammatory medication, the two diseases are very different. Fibromyalgia does not cause swelling in the joints and is not a joint problem as arthritis is. Rather, fibromyalgia is a condition where brain signals are not processed correctly from the nerves and are misinterpreted as pain signals, almost like an overreaction. Exercise has always been one of the most recognized treatments for fibromyalgia. It is widely known that motion in the joints will actually alleviate the pain and discomfort associated with fibromyalgia. The problem is that when one is suffering with acute pain, it is difficult to be motivated to exercise. Fibromyalgia often causes great pain in certain common areas. These tender points are typically in the neck, shoulders, back, hips, arms, and legs. Therapy clinics have developed very detailed whole body vibration workouts to target these specific areas. We are seeing great improvements in individuals' lives through the use of whole body vibration therapy. And many patients are telling us that now they no longer feel the regular and chronic pain they became so accustomed to living with on a daily basis prior to vibration therapy.
Like we saw in the video, to help with fibromyalgia concerns, we really want a machine with as much physical movement as possible. The Genesis Elite is definitely the machine of choice here for what we're looking for. It has 3 times the amount of amplitude, and all the motions are soft, rhythmic motions that are perfectly safe on joints. I really like the fact that the Elite has a couple of unique movement styles, and they are fantastic for what we're trying to do here. There's 4 exercises I want to show you. The first one's a side leg lift. The second one is knee raises. The third exercise is an isometric closed chest pull. And the fourth exercise is a modified push-up. These will really help you if you are suffering with fibromyalgia. I'll also show you what settings to use on the Elite machine to make sure you get the most benefits. Okay, now let me show you some exercises on the machine. Make sure that you perform a proper warm-up before you get started. This exercise will primarily work our abductor group muscles and our glutes. They're responsible for moving the thigh to the side of your body, and they will help keep your pelvis in the right position. This exercise is a great way to increase range of motion and to keep your joints flexible. This exercise will help to steady the knee joint as your tensor fasciae latae crosses from the hips all the way down to the knees. Using the Elite cross lateral motion while performing the side leg raise will help increase the range of movement in your hips. Focusing on the major joint areas will allow you to move at ease and keep inflammation in your joints down. Performing a side leg lift helps to strengthen your abductors, which aid in making everyday movements more efficient and easier. An added bonus is it also helps in toning up the hip and glute areas. Slightly lift up that left leg off of the plate of the machine. Extend it to the side of your body, keeping that leg nice and straight, and bring it back to the neutral position. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 repetitions for 2 to 3 sets. Now this exercise will work the glutes, the hamstrings, and the quadriceps. We'll be performing a knee raise. We are also building your core muscles as they're being used to help stabilize you when you stand up straight. These knee raises not only increase strength and mobility in the hip and the knee joint, but they also utilize your aerobic energy system. This helps to maintain a healthy weight and keeps your heart strong, and at the same time really aids in lymphatic drainage. The muscle pumps and squeezes the vessels to help move the lymphatic fluids away from the affected area. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Now if you need to, place your hands onto the handlebar for added support and stability. Keep your toes pointing forward. Take one leg and shift your weight onto it. Take that knee, press it up towards the center of your body, keeping your tummy pulled in tight. And bring it back down to the plate of the machine. Switch legs and pull the other leg up to the center of the body again, standing up straight. Continue to alternate this exercise for 10 to 15 repetitions on each leg for 2 to 3 sets. With this exercise, you're working your deltoids and rhomboids, as these muscles are found at the back of your shoulders and the middle of your back. Your core will also be engaged during this exercise, as you have to stand upright and keep your posture correct. This exercise will help improve your body's posture and spinal alignment. Isometric exercises, specifically the chest pull, will help prevent injury while at the same time increase your strength. If you continually practice this exercise, any pain you are experiencing will begin to fade away and your muscles will begin to get stronger. Link your fingers together, sitting at shoulder height. Pull your arms away from each other, feeling the tension in your hands and contracting your back muscles, opening up your chest. Stay in this position for 10 seconds. Relax, bring your hands back down to the side, and repeat this exercise again for 2 to 3 times as you feel comfortable. With this exercise, we're mostly working your pectoral muscles, your triceps, and your deltoids. Your core will also get a good workout, as it's your main stabilizer for keeping proper form. This exercise will improve your posture and increase your range of motion. You're working major upper body muscles here to help strengthen your joints and reduce pain, along with reducing inflammation. This will help not only to reduce your perception of pain, but also to overcome limited functioning. The more circulation of blood flowing throughout your body, the quicker inflammation in your joints will be reduced. Stand on the Elite machine with your arms slightly shoulder width apart. Pull your stomach in and inhale as you pull yourself closer to the machine. So deep breath in and bring yourself in closer to the machine. Exhale as you press yourself away from the machine. Inhale again and exhale, bringing your elbows at 90 degrees. Remember, hold yourself for 1 second and press away from the machine. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times for 2 to 3 sets.